Hi friends, this video shows how to change name of the device. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, and here you can see device name. Set it, then set change. So if you want to change, you can select one name from here, or you can go down, set enter custom name. Here you can manually enter new name. Okay, so let me change this to TV1 something. Okay, then save this. See, so this way we can change device name. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Let me change it back to living room TV. Okay, done.